Hello students, I'm Assistant Professor Sarita Tambe. This is my 5th video on internal reconstruction. In this today's video, I'm going to solve one more problem on internal reconstruction. So let's start with illustration number 3. So in this illustration, the balances are given in the books of Novus Limited as on 31st March 2018. So see here, opening debit balances are given and credit balances are given. Under debit balances, one intangible asset is given. Okay, so that intangible asset is goodwill. Then profit and loss account, it means a loss is given, right? 8,50,000. Two fixed assets are given, investment and current asset. The credit balances, under credit balances, 7% cumulative preference shares of rupees 10 lakh is given. Then equity share capital 20 lakh, then debenture capital which is secured on land and building. Okay, then debenture interest is due 40,000, loan from directors, so directors 2 lakh ka loan liya hai, and some current liabilities of rupees 10 lakh. Let's see what two notes are given. Claims for damages against the company pending in the court of law amounted to rupees 1 lakh. So in here the contingent liability for damages is given rupees 1 lakh. Then arrears of preference dividend 70,000. Okay, so preference shareholders का जो dividend है वो arrear है 70,000. Now let's see what further information given. The board of directors agreed to present the realistic picture of the state of affairs of the company's position, and the following scheme of reconstruction was sanctioned, approved, and implemented. Okay, so the board of directors want to present the realistic picture of the state of affairs of the company's financial position. So see here, the financial position of the company is not showing the real picture. Here is the goodwill 2,50,000. Then company suffering losses of rupees 8,50,000. So all the board of directors agreed with the stakeholders, equity shareholder, preference shareholder, debenture holder, and creditor, and they approved, sanctioned, and implemented the scheme of reconstruction. So let's see what's first term is given. Preference shares were reduced to equal number of equity fully paid preference shares of rupees 80 each. So preference shareholder agreed that to reduce their face value of preference share of rupees 100 to rupees 80 and rupees 20 sacrificed by the preference shareholder. Then equity shares were reduced to equal number of fully paid up equity shares of rupees 2.50. ₹2.50 में वो reduce हुआ है. Okay, तो equity share की value कितनी है? फेस वैल्यू रुपीज 10. तो रुपीज 10 से इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर ने कितना सैक्रिफाइस किया है? 7.50 each. प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर्स वेव हाफ ऑफ देयर एरियर्स ऑफ डिविडेंड. तो प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर का डिविडेंड कितना एरियर है? 70,000. सो आउट ऑफ 70,000 हाफ दे हैव बीन. हाफ कितना होगा? 35,000. ओके, एंड फॉर रिमेनिंग बैलेंस 35,000 द कंपनी और दे एग्रीड टू टेक 14,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स ऑफ रुपीज 2.50 each fully paid. Now see the debenture holder what agreed. The debenture holders took over part of the security having book value of rupees 3,60,000. So as a security उन्होंने डिबेंचर, जब डिबेंचर कंपनी ने इशू किया था तब एज ए सिक्योरिटी क्या दिया था? यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में गिवन है सिक्योर्ड ऑन लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग. ओके, सो कंपनी के पास 12 लाख की लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग है, राइट? सो दैट हैज बीन सिक्योर्ड अगेंस्ट विद द डिबेंचर होल्डर, एंड the debenture holder agreed to take the land and building जिसकी book value कितनी है? 3,60,000 और वो कितने में टेक ओवर करे? 5 lakh. Okay, in the part satisfaction of their loan, and they also accepted to receive the 1,20,000 equity shares of rupees 2.50 for their balance loan. Debenture holders waive their interest due on debentures. उनको जो debentures due है, जो देना है, वो उन्होंने वेव किया है. दे हैव सैक्रिफाइस, एंड व्हाट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ द डिबेंचर? इंटरेस्ट 40,000. देन द क्लेम फॉर डैमेजेस पेंडिंग इन द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ वेर सेटल्ड बाय इशू ऑफ 12,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स ऑफ रुपीज 2.50 ईच फुल्ली पेड अप. सो आउट ऑफ 1 lakh द contingent liability for the claim was 1 lakh, but the liability or the amount is materialized rupees 12,000 multiplied by 2.5. So you will have to, it will be the 30,000. So 30,000 claim settled by issuing the 12,000 equity shares of rupees 2.50 each. Now see, the directors converted their loan into equity shares of rupees 2.50 each, fully paid up shares. So directors का जो लोन था, the loan कितना directors का 2 lakh. So उस लोन के जगह पे उन्होंने क्या एग्री किया, they will ready to take the equity shares of the company. All intangible and fictitious assets are written off. Okay, so one intangible asset goodwill and fictitious asset यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, profit and loss account debit balance. तो वो write off करना है the sacrifices made by the stakeholders of the company. The assets were revalued as under. Okay, so plant and machinery is revalued at 7 lakh and investment is 1 lakh. So what requirements are given? Let's see. Necessary journal entries to record the above scheme of reconstruction in the books of Nervus Limited. So हमें यहाँ पे journal entries pass करनी है. With that, we will have to make a prepare the capital reduction account in the books of Nervus Limited and the balance sheet of Nervus Limited after the reconstruction. So in this video, we will pass the journal entries and we will prepare the capital reduction account. We will prepare the balance sheet after reconstruction in the coming next lecture. Okay, so let's start for making the journal entries in the books of Nervus Limited. So see, in this way, you will have to draw the columns, serial number, particular, debit rupees and credit rupees. Okay, so what is the sequence? What first journal entry we will have to pass? हम यहाँ पे कौन सी first journal entry करेंगे? We will make a journal entry related to reduction in the preference share capital. You can make a journal entry for equity shares or you can make a journal entry for the preference shares. So let's take a first one, that is a reduction in the preference share capital. Okay, so let me read again. The preference shares were reduced to equal number of fully paid preference shares of rupees 80. So let's see preference share capital कितना है, 10,000 cumulative preference shares of rupees 100 is. So 10 कितना reduce किया है, 80. So 10,000 multiplied by 80 it will be 8 lakh. तो 10 lakh का preference share capital कम हो गया, कितना हुआ है, 8 lakh. And the sacrifice made by the preference shareholder 10 lakh minus 8 lakh, it will be 2 lakh. Okay, so how will be the journal entry you will have to pass here? Yes, so preference share capital account debit 7% preference share capital account debit rupees 100, 10 lakh. Okay, so पूरी liability यहाँ पे हमें क्या करनी है, cancel करनी है of the preference shareholder जो earlier company ने दी थी. 7% preference share capital of rupees 100. So that's why we have given the debit to the preference share capital. Then preference share capital reduced to rupees 80. So 10,000 multiplied by 80. So it will be, just a minute, 10,000 multiplied by 80. It is reduced to, let me check here, just a minute. Okay, preference share capital reduced to rupees 80 per share. So here will be 8 lakh. Yes, it's my mistake. Let me write here 8 lakh and capital reduction account 2 lakh. Okay, so they sacrifice how much amount of share capital, preference share capital by the preference shareholder, 2 lakh rupees. So 100 each का value कितना हुआ है, rupees 80, and remaining 20 you will have to transfer to the capital reduction account. Write the narration: reduction of preference share capital from rupees 100 to rupees 80 each. Okay, so this is the first journal entry for the reduction in the preference share capital. Now let's transfer this capital or reduce capital to the capital reduction account by giving credit to the capital reduction account. So first entry here will be by preference share capital as per journal entry 1, 2 lakh. So 2 lakh amount is sacrificed by the preference share holder. Now let's make a next journal entry. The next journal entry for the reduction in the capital of equity capital. Okay, so equity capital क्या agreed हुआ है? Equity shares were reduced to equal number of fully paid up shares of rupees 2.50. तो 10 रुपए से equity share capital कितना हुआ है, 2.50, and remaining 7.50 sacrifice made by the equity shareholder, and that you will have to transfer to the capital reduction account. So let's make a journal entry for this. So first you will have to cancel the credit given to the equity share capital of rupees 10 each, 20 lakh. Okay, then equity share to equity share capital account debit. How many number of shares? See, the number of shares are 2 lakh, right? So 2 lakh number of shares, 2 lakh multiplied by 2.50. So it will be 5 lakh. And the remaining will be transferred to the capital reduction account. Capital reduction account 15 lakh. You will have to write the narration like this. Reduction of 2 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each in equal number of shares of rupees 2.50 as per the scheme of internal reconstruction, and the remaining 7.50 transfer to the capital reduction account. Okay, so 15 lakh will be transferred to capital reduction account. It means what? Equity shareholder का capital outstanding कितना था? 20 lakh. उन्होंने अपना capital कितना reduce किया? 5 lakh का. And the remaining 15 lakh capital sacrificed by the equity shareholder, and that you will have to transfer to the capital reduction account by giving the credit by equity share capital account 15 lakh. Okay, so in this way we have made the two journal entries. First one for reduction in preferential capital, second for reduction in equity share capital. Now let's make a next journal entry. Let's see what is the next term. The next term is related to preference shares arrears of dividend. So preference shareholders waive half of their arrears of dividend. So see here you will have to no need to make a journal entry for waiving whatever the due of the preference shareholder. उन्होंने arrears of dividend half क्या किया है? waive किया है. Okay, sacrifice किया है, लेकिन उसकी journal entry हम pass नहीं करेंगे. Okay, now and 14,000 equity shares of rupees 2.50 each fully paid were issued of them in lieu of in the balance sheet or remaining. So 70,000 total arrears of preference dividend 70,000 out of 35,000 they waived, and the remaining 35,000 की उन्होंने क्या agreed किया है to take 14,000 equity shares of rupees 2.50. So how will be the journal entry you will have to pass for this? Yeah, this is the next journal entry for the arrears of preference dividend. So you will have to pass the journal entry like this. Capital reduction account debit. You are going to issue the new equity shares to the preference shareholder. So ये capital अब कहाँ से लोगे? Out of the sacrifice made by the equity shareholder and preference shareholder, and you will use the balance available in the sacrifices available in the capital reduction account. So out of that you are going to issue the new equity shares. So 14,000 equity shares of rupees 2.50, so it will be 35,000. So in this way you will have to make a journal entry less record to the capital reduction account to equity share capital 35,000. तो ये 15 lakh plus 2 lakh total 17 lakh का capital sacrifice किया है. Out of that 35,000 capital use किया है for issuing the new equity shares to the preference shareholders for their arrears of dividend. Okay, now let's move ahead. Now the next journal entry for the settlement of the debenture holder. Okay, so see 8% debenture holder took a part of security having book value 3,60,000 at 5 lakh in part settle or satisfaction of their claim, and for remaining 1,20,000 equity shares of rupees 2.50. So let's see first, let's see what is the outstanding amount of debenture holder. Debenture holder की outstanding amount कितनी है? 10 lakh. Okay, so let's take a 10 lakh first for a debiting. So next journal entry for the settlement of the claim of the debenture holder. So you will have to give the debit first to the debentures. 8% debenture account debit 10 lakh. Okay, 8% debenture account debit. What they take over? They take over the land and building. What is the value of the land and building? The value of the land and building 3,50,000. But उन्होंने कितने में take over किए? 5 lakh. Right? So let me show you here. See, just a minute. Okay, so total claim of the debenture holder is 10 lakh. Out of that 10 lakh, their claim settle of rupees 5 lakh. 5 lakh का claim उनका क्या हो गया? Settle हो गया. Right. Now remaining balance, उनका balance कितना रहा है यहाँ पे? 5 lakh. Just a minute, I will show here. So remaining 5 lakh they have settled by taking over the land and building of the company, the secured land and building 3. But वो कितने में टेक ओवर किया है? 3,60,000. So balance कितना यहाँ पे बचा? 1,40,000. So 1,40,000 it is a profit, right? And it will be transferred to the capital reduction account. Now the remaining 5 lakh, remaining जो 5 lakh है उनका जो balance amount है उसमें उसके बदले में उन्होंने क्या लिया है? इक्विटी शेयर्स लिए. कितने नंबर ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स लिए हैं? लेट्स सी हियर 14,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स ऑफ रुपीज 2.50. तो 14,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स, इट मींस टोटल अमाउंट कितना होगा? 14,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2.50. सो द टोटल अमाउंट इज, लेट मी चेक वंस अगेन. So 14,000 equity, sorry, यहाँ पे 1,20,000 equity shares of rupees 2.50. 1,20,000 equity shares multiplied by 2.50. So it will be 3 lakh. Okay, but outstanding amount is 5 lakh. So it means what? The remaining 2 lakh sacrificed by the debenture holder, right? So remaining out of 5 lakh, उन्होंने कितने अमाउंट के शेयर्स लिए? 3 लाख के, राइट? 3 लाख अमाउंट के उन्होंने शेयर टेक ओवर किए. तो ये जो रिमेनिंग बैलेंस है दैट हैज बीन सैक्रिफाइस मेड बाय द डिबेंचर होल्डर. सो टोटल सैक्रिफाइस 3 लाख प्लस 1,40,000, इट विल बी, sorry, here will be 2 lakh. Okay, so these are the sacrifice. 2 lakh sacrifice made by the debenture holder plus this 1,40,000. So total transfer to the capital reduction account 3,40,000. So you will have to record here 2 equity share capital 1,20,000 multiplied by 2.5. So it will be 3 lakh, and the remaining balance 10 lakh minus 3,60,000 minus 3 lakh. You will get the balance amount that will be the capital reduction account. You will have to transfer to the capital reduction account. Okay, so 1,40,000. देखो एक्चुअली कॉस्ट कितनी थी लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग? 3,60,000 की, लेकिन उन्होंने 5 लाख में वो लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग ले ली, राइट ना? तो ये जो एक्स्ट्रा है वो हम कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करेंगे? टू दी कैपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट, टू दी क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ कैपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट. प्लस बैलेंस अमाउंट अभी उनका कितना पेएबल है? 5 लाख का, राइट? लेकिन वो 5 लाख का कैपिटल की बजाय उन्होंने 3 लाख के इक्विटी शेयर्स एक्सेप्ट किए. तो रिमेनिंग 2 लाख दे हैव सैक्रिफाइस, एंड दिस 2 lakh also transfer to the capital reduction account. So total amount transfer 1,40,000 to 2 lakh. The 3,40,000 will be transferred to the capital reduction account. Now you will have to make a write the narration. Let me show you here. Debentures partly settled by way of land and building. So उनकी जो पार्ट अमाउंट थी 5 लाख, उसके बदले में उन्हें 3,60,000 की बुक वैल्यू की लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग दे दी, एंड द रिमेनिंग 5 लाख के लिए उन्होंने क्या एक्सेप्ट किया? द इक्विटी शेयर्स. सो एप्रिसिएशन इन द वैल्यू is transferred to the or credited to the capital reduction account. So let's give credit to the capital reduction account by debenture 3,40,000. So in this way, the company or the debenture holder agreed to settle their claim. Okay. Now let's make the next journal entry. Let's see the next transaction. Debenture holder waived their interest due on debenture holder. तो उनका जो debenture holder को interest due था, कितना due था? See here, 40,000 amount is due, and this 40,000 they have sacrificed. So as we know that whatever sacrifices made by shareholders, debenture holder, you have to transfer to the capital reduction account. So how will be the journal entry? So you will have to pass the journal entry like this. You will have to cancel this liability. So that's why give the debit to the debenture interest due account debit to 40,000. To capital reduction account 40,000 being interest waived by the debenture holder. तो debenture holder को जो 40,000 का interest देना था वो उन्होंने waive किया है, and that's why this appreciated value transfer to the capital reduction account. So let's give credit to the capital reduction account by debenture interest due 40,000. Okay, so it is very simple journal entry related to move towards debentures claim we have settled. Now let's see the next one. The claim for damages पेंडिंग इन द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ वेयर सेटल, तो जो भी क्लेम था जो कोर्ट में पेंडिंग था वो कितने में सेटल हुआ है 30,000. ओके, सो 30,000 हाउ इट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड 12,000 multiplied by 2.50. So you will have to pass the journal entry here for the payment of the or payment for the contingent liability for damages. Okay, so how you will have to calculate here, how many number of equity shares issue 12,000 multiplied by 2.50. तो कितने amount के equity shares issue किए 30,000. So you will have to pass the journal entry right of this. You have issued the new debit because sacrifices you use for issuing the is 2.50 and the value of amount is 30,000. Okay, now let's pass this journal entry, transfer this amount to the capital reduction account to equity share capital account debit 30,000. ओके, तो ये भी जर्नल एंट्री हमने पास की रिलेटेड टू कॉन्टिंजेंट लायबिलिटीज फॉर द डैमेजेस. नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट टर्म दैट हैज बीन गिवन इन द इलस्ट्रेशन. सो डायरेक्टर्स कन्वर्टेड their loan into equity shares of rupees 2,50,000 2.50 each fully paid up shares. So let's see, यहाँ पे डायरेक्टर्स लोन कितना है 2 लाख का लोन पेड है. ओके, तो 2 लाख का लोन है. लेट मी शो यू हियर the amount of 2 lakh. So how many number of equity shares issued to the directors? Just a minute, I will show you here. So 2 lakh का कैपिटल है और उनको एक शेयर कितने में दिया है 2.50. तो लेट्स डिवाइड 2.50. So how many number of shares issued to the directors 80,000. तो उनका जो बैलेंस ड्यू था डायरेक्टर का 2 लाख का, उसके बजाय उन्होंने क्या एग्रीड किया कि दे विल टेक द इक्विटी शेयर. So let's make a journal entry. Director loan is a liability, right? So you will have to cancel this liability by giving the debit to the director's loan account and you will have to give credit to the equity share capital. So how you will have to pass the journal entry for this? So let's settle the claim of directors by issuing equity shares. So directors loan account debit 2 lakh to equity share capital account 80,000 multiplied by 2.50. It means what? 80,000 equity shares of rupees 2.50 2 lakh. So directors loan settled by issue of the equity shares. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमने loan settle किया directors का by issuing equity shares. Let's see next term. All the intangible and fictitious assets were written off. तो यहाँ पे दो, एक लैंड गुडविल है 2,50,000 एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट है 8,50,000. तो ये जो दो हम क्या करेंगे राइट ऑफ करेंगे आउट ऑफ द sacrifices made by the a sacrifice amount available in the capital reduction account. So how will be the journal entry? Capital reduction account debit to profit and loss account and to goodwill account for the writing of all the fictitious and intangible assets. So capital reduction account debit 11 lakh, 2,50,000 goodwill, 8,50,000 profit and loss account. So total amount write off 11 lakh. So value of intangible and fictitious asset adjusted against or write off from the capital reduction balance. So let's post here to goodwill account debit. How is the journal entry? Capital reduction account debit to goodwill 2,50,000. Capital reduction account debit to profit and loss account debit balance 8,50,000. So we have written off goodwill, intangible asset and fictitious assets. Let's see the next term. Okay, the assets were revalued as under. So plant and machinery. So let's see the book value of plant and machinery. See, plant and machinery की book value कितनी है 11 lakh. Okay, but revaluation किया तब उसकी value कितनी निकल के आई है 7 lakh. Right? तो यहाँ पे जो plant and machinery वो इसकी कितनी value कम हुई है 4 lakh कम हुई है और वो हम कहाँ से adjust करेंगे? For any depreciation, decrease in the value of asset, you will have to ये loss आपको कहाँ से adjust करना है from the capital reduction account. So how will be the journal entry? Capital reduction account debit to plant and machinery account. Value आप कितने लिखोगे? See 11 lakh minus 7 lakh, you will get this 4 lakh. Then see, same in case of a investment. इन्वेस्टमेंट की बुक वैल्यू कितनी है 1,20,000 और वो कितनी डिक्रीज हुई है और रिवैल्यूड हुई है 1 लाख. तो यहाँ पे डिक्रीज कितना हुआ है, इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू कितनी कम हुई है 20,000. So this will also transfer to the capital reduction account and adjusted through the capital reduction account. So how will be the journal entry? So you can combine these two entry in one entry. Capital reduction account debit to, just a minute, capital reduction account debit 4,20,000 to plant and machinery 4 lakh to investment. Plant and machinery हमने कैसे find out किया amount, sacrifice और decrease amount 11 lakh minus 7 lakh. Okay, so plant and machinery account 4 lakh to investment account 20,000. So let's transfer this to the, or let's post to the capital reduction account. So plant and machinery account 4 lakh to investment account 20,000. Okay. So see, these are the sacrifices made by the preference shareholder, equity shareholder, debenture holder, right? So let's make a total of this. So total sacrifice 2 lakh, 15 lakh, 3 lakh 40,000 and 40 lakh 40,000. So what will be the total? 20 lakh 80,000. So this is the total sacrifices made by the company's shareholder and debenture holder. Out of this 20 lakh 80,000, company use the capital for issuing to the preference shareholder, for issuing to the directors of the company. So 35,000, 30,000. Then company, out of this 20 lakh 80,000, company write off goodwill and profit and loss account. The decreased value of the plant and machinery also adjusted to this balance 20 lakh 80,000 and to the investment. So total utilization of sacrifice is, let's make the total of this 15 lakh 80,000. This is called as a total use. Okay, so out of 20 lakh 80,000, company use 15 lakh 85,000 for issuing equity shares, for writing off asset, intangible asset and fictitious asset. Okay, now let's find out the difference. तो अगर कुछ बैलेंसेस बचता है सैक्रिफाइस का, तो वो कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर होता है? टू दी कैपिटल रिजर्व अकाउंट. सो 20 lakh 80,000 minus 15 lakh 80,000. So your capital reserve, the remaining balance is transferred to capital reserve account. And for this purpose, you will have to make a large journal entry. So how will be our large journal entry? Capital balance of capital reduction transfer to capital reserve account. So capital reduction account debit 4,95,000 to capital reserve account 4,95,000. So being balance of capital reduction transfer to the capital reserve account. So here we have seen all the journal entries stepwise, and then we have prepared the capital reduction account. All the sacrifices you will have to be credited to the capital reduction account, and the utilization of that capital will be debited to the capital reduction account. So what journal entries we have made here? First for the reduction in capital, then second for the reduction in preference capital, both the capital, preference and equity. Then arrears of dividend की journal entries की, then we settle the claim of debenture. Then after contingent liabilities we also settle, then directors loan settle, then write off the intangible as well as fictitious asset, then revaluation of asset, decreased values also transfer to capital reduction, and finally we transfer the balance of capital reduction account to the capital reserve account. I hope you have understood this illustration, how I have prepared. Now in the next lecture, we will prepare the balance sheet after the internal reconstruction. So we will continue the same illustration in the next coming lecture of 34. Thank you.